Okay, everyone, we're continuing our video here. Tonight we're going to unbox a calendar. This is a brand new calendar that Aiden got from Walmart.com. It says Super Mario 2023 calendar. Look at all the people. Look at all the characters on there, honey. Front and back. Ooh, look at that. Look at all the pictures.
All 12 months.
We're going to take the plastic off and see what's inside.
Be careful, buddy. That thing is sharp.
I'm sorry, honey. Are you going to hang this calendar up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where are you going to hang it from?
My room, of course.
Oh, right.
Where the other ones were?
Figured you were gonna
Yeah.
do it.
Okay.
Gotcha. I got it, bud.
It's got some cardboard in there too. Put that over there. Mom will throw it away.
Let's take a look.
What's inside, right? Ooh, who's that?
That's Mario.
Mario. Who's that?
That's Yoshi.
Yoshi. Princess
Peach.
Who's that?
That's Toad.
Who's that?
Bowser Jr. Let's take a look at these months.
April, May. Uh-oh, who's that?
That's Luigi.
Mario and Luigi. That's Princess
That's Rosalina.
Rosalina,
And
that's
Jim.
right. Sorry, I forgot that one.
That's Wario.
There we go. That's July. August is who?
Donkey Kong.
Yeah. September is who?
That's Daisy.
October. Who is that?
Luigi.
Luigi.
Right?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. November's who?
Bowser. Right, bud?
Yeah.
December. Mario.
It's a
And a
Mario.
present.
It's a me, Mario.
Very good. Well, thank you everybody for joining us for all our unboxing today. We sure had fun with all of you guys. We sure hope you had a good time with us too. We'll see you later. Bye-bye. The end.